Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by picking the right tool and protecting your current layout. For Windows, install PowerToys. For Mac OS, use Carabiner Elements. For Linux, choose Xmodmap or SexMap. Once installed, make a quick backup or system restore point so you can undo changes. You must also decide which key will become which. Write down the original and target key names. This step avoids mistakes later and clarifies the mapping you'll implement in the next steps. You now define the actual remap. Open your chosen tool and add a new mapping. Pick the source key, then pick the target key. For Windows PowerToys, click Keyboard Manager, remap a key. For Carabiner, edit the JSON or use the GUI. After applying, test in Notepad or text edit, press the source key to confirm it emits the target character. If it works, save the profile and enable launch at startup so changes persist across reboots. Finish by validating persistence and modifier behavior. Reboot and test combos, Shift, Control, Alt, because some tools remap only basic key presses. If mapping breaks apps or shortcuts, disable the startup profile and revert to your backup, then reapply a single mapping to isolate the problem. If the key still misbehaves, check for keyboard drivers or firmware that override OS mappings. When nothing else works, uninstall the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.